how to send or share Google Sheet on WhatsApp. So if you want to share or send Google Sheets on your WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google Sheets. You can simply open up your Drive or the location where you have your Google Sheets. Once you have your sheets, now you just need to simply right click on it, and then you can go with the share option. You can choose copy link or share, and here you will have this kind of interface. Here you just need to simply add people or groups from here. But if you want to share that to WhatsApp, then you just need to simply go with the restricted option, and then anyone with the link. And after that, copy the link. Once you copy the link, you need to remove that. And then you can go with WhatsApp, open up your WhatsApp and log into your account. Or you can go with your WhatsApp web and simply tap on the person that you would like to send and paste the link that you've just copied and then hit the enter. That's how you can send or share Google Sheets on your WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.